At Isagenix, in the past, we would tend to build everything from scratch. That led to very long development cycles and a lot of customization. When building out our new platform, we wanted to do things differently. We chose to look for a software provider that could help us increase our speed to market, and at the same time, we looked for a partner that has done it before and can help us develop the new innovative system that we needed. We found that with OutSystems, and we found that with Do It Lean.
So at Isagenix, we offer nutritional and wellness products across the globe, things like weight loss, dietary nutrition. We are a network marketing company, and so we serve two different audiences. The B2B portion are we actually create apps and services to help our associates make it very easy to promote our products, but we also want a high, compelling, high-performance app in order to help our customers engage with our products.
One of the key objectives for us as we move forward is trying to evolve our environment and empower our business partners that have capabilities to maintain and modify business applications, was to look for a platform that gave them that control and allowed them to build and maintain their own applications, and were still high performant and maintained a modern UX. And we found that in our partnership with OutSystems.
So now that we had the platform selected, it was really important for us to find a strategic partner that we could build the next level of app with. We wanted somebody who had a lot of mobile experience, somebody who had web development experience, and ideally somebody who also had experience within the applications that we were trying to build. And that's where Do It Lean came in. They are a top provider of OutSystems, and they also had experience in mobile development, and they also had a lot of strategic vision on how the app should look and function because they had done this before. It was really, really important for us.
Beyond that, they have their own accelerators, such as the Rocket UI, which really helped us rapidly implement our style system inside of the OutSystems UI and extend it and leverage it the way Rocket UI was designed to do. And we were more rapidly able to build that application and deploy it for the business. We're in mid-flight with the project and working with Do It Lean, and looking at our traditional approach, which is design it, architect it, build it. We expected the low-code capability of OutSystems and the skill of Do It Lean to allow us to get there faster. We're in the midst of the project, and we're already seeing the fruits of that labor in rapid screen deployment, tied in with our design systems. All of the mobile screens coming together along with the web applications that manage it have really impressed us as to the speed with which the team's able to deliver that and the satisfaction the business has with that. So that's been a critical component of the relationship with both partners, and so we're very pleased with where this has come at this point in time.
We're excited to launch our new app in January, where we're going to have tens of thousands of our customers engaged in the new challenge platform.
When we first engaged with OutSystems, we realized very quickly it wasn't a buy it just for this solution. So in partnering with OutSystems, and even more importantly with Do It Lean, we wanted to look at where it would take us with the first application, but more importantly, how could we leverage it to bring the same speed and capabilities to some of our legacy applications that have been built in-house. So as we look towards the future and we start to plan our strategies, I can see a very bright future for us to migrate more and more of our workload into OutSystems and more of our design and our application platform into work with Do It Lean.